this is our first program which we have run, right? Now look at first line. As I have explained before, hash include tails preprocessor to include stdio.h file. Now, what is stdio.h file? stdio stand for std stand for standard and I stand for input, o stand for output. So stdio is a standard input output file. Now, what is this standard input output file? Every C compiler is connected with library. That library consists of different files like standard input output file and different other files. Now, these files, each file consists of different functions. Standard input output file consists of different functions like printf, scanf. Now, printf is used for standard output purpose and scanf is used for standard input purpose. It means we can give output on the screen by using function printf, and we can take input from user by using scanf, right? Now, in this program we are using printf function which is saved in the standard input output file. That is why we are using hash include stdio.h file, right? Again, why we are using this header file, that is standard input output header file? Because in this program we are using printf function which is saved in stdio.h file, right? Now, when we compile our program, compiler starts compiling, always start compiling from main function. So first compiler will leave this line, that is hash include stdio.h file will be leaved by the compiler. Then it will look for main. So here is main. Compiler start compiling from main function, right? So first it will compile this line printf hello Udemy. If there is other statement like printf hi or hey, so what will be the output? First, compiler will compile this line and then this line, right? Now, 2 points you have to note. First, what is the use of standard input output file? What are the header files? Header files are saved inside C library. So C library each consists of different header files. Each file consists of different functions like printf, scanf. These are the functions which are saved inside standard input output file, right? Now, second point is compiler always start compilation from main function. Consider if there are 7-8 lines and then there is main function, and it will start compiling from main function.